Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to go and get Eternal Core in Survivor.io. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and get Eternal Core in Survivor.io. So basically, Eternal cores are a late game crafting material in Survivor.io. They're mainly used for astral forging, eternal equipment, and crafting SS gear through the Cosmic Cast system. The main ways to get Eternal cores are salvage Eternal S grade equipment. So you need to go to Astral Forge and then salvage. So go to the salvage unwanted Eternal S grade gear, salvage Eternal gear rewards, Eternal cores. Materials, so regularly equipment only gives base tech, materials, not eternal cores. Earn them from limited time events. This is a pretty good thing. Many events let you exchange event currency for eternal cores or tech core choice chests. Open S grade supply chests. Obtain eternal S grade equipment from 5 S grade chests. Then leverage duplicates you don't need. What are eternal cores used for? If you of course may ask. The Astral Forge upgrades for eternal equipment, Cosmic Cast to craft SS grade equipment, which typically requires 50 eternal cores, 50 void cores, and 2000 base tech materials. Some tips: don't salvage eternal S grade gear that you're actively using to plan to upgrade. It's generally better to salvage duplicates or unwanted S grade items, since replacing them can take a long time. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.